If you've ever looked at one of these and wondered, how does that tiny thing actually work? Let me show you exactly how this one is used. The brand sent me the Airflow Clip Nasal Dilator Trial Pack, and one thing I immediately appreciated is that it comes with multiple sizes. The first step is simply choosing the size that feels the most comfortable for your nose. I chose size small. Once you've found your fit, gently insert the dilator into your nostrils until it rests comfortably into place. I feel like it was easy to insert and I immediately felt my nasal passages being more open. Since the little arms are nice and flexible, they're designed to gently support the nasal passages without any adhesives or sticky strips. Although the small size fit pretty well, the last step is heating up some hot water, placing the dilator into it for 5 seconds, and shaping it to your nose even further. And it did actually feel more contouring and fit to my nose after putting it in the hot water. What this style of nasal dilator is designed to do is help keep the nasal passages more open while you sleep. This is great for people who have nighttime nasal congestion, snoring related to restricted nasal airflow, or if you just want better breathing support through your nose while you're sleeping. I want to mention that it's also reusable. Depending on care and normal use, each dilator is designed to last up to about 90 days, making it a great alternative to single-use products. If you've been curious about trying a nasal dilator, I think the trial pack is a great introduction. The Swiss-made construction feels well made, and the multiple sizing options make it easier to find a comfortable fit.